It has been a rainy weekend here in Seattle. The locals tell me that the month of April was the coldest and wettest they can remember for a couple of decades. We've got a break in the clouds right now, so time to head out for an early Saturday morning donut run. One of the strawberry cream cheese.
That's my favorite. Good pick.
That's your favorite? Excellent. And I think we got to do the peanut butter and jelly.
All right. Another good pick. I like peanut.
My bowl of donuts here. So, the Cronut came about utilizing croissant dough and then taking that dough and forming it into a donut. The donut factory has taken the Cronut idea and turned it into a crow bar. Clever. And this is Nutella on the top. Oh my goodness. So imagine all the flaky, buttery layers of a croissant. Turn that croissant dough into a donut. Turn that donut into a bar. And then cover it with Nutella. Oh my goodness. Definitely come back to that one. This is the strawberry cream cheese. There's a strawberry in there. Much lighter, much pillowier. Is that a word? Pillowier. You've got the tang from the cream cheese on top. A very sweet filling inside. Oh, I could have many, many of those. This is the peanut butter and jelly. Peanut butter, peanuts, raspberry jelly inside. Okay, that's my favorite. Imagine the peanut butter and jelly sandwich that your mother made for you when you were a kid, and you've got both the smooth and the crunchy peanut butter, and then raspberry jam, and then turn that into a donut. That is a donut you don't want to rush through. Oh my goodness.